Hey folks, so I've purchased the ARZOPA Portable Monitor. This is a 15.6 inch monitor. I'm excited to get this unboxed, see how it looks. So let's go ahead. So I think a portable monitor at this price is definitely going to be a budget model. I'm not in, any two minds about that. But as long as it actually works and does what it's supposed to do, then I'm going to be really happy with this. And I've got to say, apart from the fact I've just put fingerprints on it straight from the get-go, that looks really smart. The bezel is thin. The actual monitor itself is thin. So this is truly a portable display. And it has the stand as well. If I go ahead and open that. So I'll go over the monitor in a moment, but just to complete the unboxing, a little user guide, along with actually a bunch of cables here. Whoa! I purchased one of these separate. I didn't know this came included. This is an HDMI to mini HDMI cable. So if you want to connect this to a PC, to a laptop, to a gaming console, such as a PS5 or Xbox, then this cable is going to come in very handy. A USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So again, this is going to be handy for connecting laptops that will support this, but also if you want to connect your phone or your iPad or tablet, for example, then this is the cable you will want to use. And then there is a USB-C to Type-A cable. I believe this will be for actually getting power to the monitor. So on the front sticker here, it has some technical information. This is a 1080p monitor, and apparently it utilizes HDR technology. I'm going to be honest, for the cost of this, I am quite skeptical about that, but it's ultra lightweight, and I can definitely attest to that fact. On the one side, we have a speaker, so that's nice. Can't be taken for granted with monitors. And then on the other side, we have the controls. In terms of connections, we have the two USB-C ports and that mini HDMI port. I'm going to get my computer, we'll get this hooked up, and we'll see what the screen looks like. I've got it set up to this desktop computer here. Again, obviously you can set this up to a laptop or to a phone or pretty much anything really, or games console. First impressions are, this thing is absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm sorry that you're probably not getting the best example of this through my phone recording, but in person, the screen is bright, it is crisp. I am really happy with it. The fact this is so lightweight and portable is just going to be brilliant for my needs. And the way I've got this hooked up, I have the mini HDMI to HDMI cable going into my computer here, and then I just have the included USB Type-C to Type-A cable also going into my computer, and that's giving the monitor the power. So I don't even need to plug this monitor into the wall. Now you can do that if you want to, but I haven't had to. So this is Windows 11. I want to just see if HDR is actually possible on this monitor, which is a claim that is made. You know what? It is. I am shocked. I thought, for the price I paid for this, there's no way you're going to be able to use HDR. Wow, HDR is a thing. I'm not sure as to, how deep the technology of HDR in use here is, but the fact it's there at all is pretty impressive. I don't know, open a bit of Minecraft maybe. Yes, very, very happy. The colours are vibrant. As I say, it's a nice bright display here. Now, I don't play Minecraft. This is my son's computer. But yeah, really impressed with this monitor. So I think I'll leave it there for now. So despite the fact this ARZOPA is technically, I suppose, a budget portable monitor, and it is only 1080p, that doesn't matter to me. The features here are very rich, and the screen display itself is really vibrant and bright and sharp as well, so I'm really happy with it. It's native 1080p, so that's why it looks so good.